Bridgend in Wales, and I'm working on my Welsh accent. No, I'm not going to bother doing that because it's taking the piss. Not doing that. We're talking about me being in the hole and we're trying to find a water main. We've dug through the water main, and the thing that saved the day, and everyone will agree, Graham, would you agree? Definitely, is this bit of kit. This is a boat pump, a 12 volt marine baby boat pump that I've converted to run off Makita batteries, specifically 12 volt Makita CXT batteries, and it is a beast. It'll pump water, it'll pump sludge, it'll pump little rocks. It never stops. It's an absolute animal. It emptied this hole, about bloody metre cubed of water, in about 10 minutes, quarter of an hour. So if you ever want a good little pump that runs off batteries, convert one from a marine 12 volt pump. It's an absolute animal and it saved the day. So okay boyos, we're going to get back to fixing the leak down in Bridgend in Cardiff. I didn't sound so much. Did that sound Welsh, Graham? No, a little bit. Okay. Awesome bit of kit. Makita should make one. I'd buy it. Okay, see you next time. Got to get back to work.